Hi, my name is Samantha. But today I'm going to wash the car since the car is all dirty. And also, I am going to go shopping to buy some chicken burgers, pizzas and french fries.
Hi Samantha, are you about to clean a car? Because this car has a lot of poo.
That's right. I am going to clean a car, and after that, I will go shopping to buy some food and drinks for all the people. Let's start washing the car. First, I'll spray off the mud on the car, which will make it easier for me to do it.
Okay, now it's my turn to swipe off the poo with my magic sponge.
Well, Rediner, I'm glad you helped me clean my car. Now it's time for me to go to shopping and buy some food and drinks.